Do you ever gaze upon the endless blue above, where the winds of freedom whisper tales of dreams we love, where the heights you reach ignite the fire deep inside, as you soar through realms unknown with the clouds as your guide, where your heart beating wild and your spirit flying free. You embrace the world from heights where the soul can truly see. I was born to wander high in the arms of the sky, with the sun at my back, I'll never question why. As the altitudes collide, when you break through barriers, leave the ground far behind. In the silence of the heavens, I found my refuge sweet, with the stars as my compass, every heart beats a beat. From altitude to altitude, as my worries dissipate, an adventure to create. From small to altitude, at my moments fleeting chance, an adventure to create.